The truth was hidden all along. So he chose hard work instead.
Alright viewers, first of all, today I showed you some cartoon videos that are currently going viral, especially this cartoon character style content that's blowing up right now. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can create the same type of viral videos and grow your channel fast. Now first, what you need to do is go to YouTube. After opening YouTube, simply search for the channel named Cool Hat. This is a new channel. It has only uploaded around 17 videos, but it's already monetized and earning around $20 per month. Now if we go to the short section and sort by popular, you can clearly see the results. 6.2 million views, 1.9 million, 301K, 47K, and more. So the question is, what's so special about these videos? How did this channel get monetized with just 17 videos? Let's play one of the top videos. Oh my god, look at this. It's so engaging. A cartoon cricketer hits, reacts, and expresses emotions in a fun and simple way. Now let's check another one. Again, very unique, very engaging. So why did these videos go viral? The answer is simple: unique concept, plus simple animation, plus strong engagement. And today, I'm going to show you how you can create the same type of videos and get your channel monetized as well. Now let's move to the prompt section. I already have a master prompt prepared. This includes 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, full voiceover, complete storytelling structure. You can download all these prompts from the description. Once you download them, simply go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, it will generate 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, a master prompt, and a consistent character prompt. Now, one important thing. If you notice that your character is not consistent across all images, like in the second, third, or fourth image, you need to instruct ChatGPT again. Tell it clearly. Make the character fully consistent in all images with the same outfit, colors, and details. For example, red shirt, blue shorts, green cap, same in every scene. Once you do this, it will regenerate everything with a perfectly consistent character. After that, simply copy all the prompts, paste them into a document file, and save it. Now your 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts are fully ready. Next step, image generation. For images, I'll open a website called Flow AI. As you know, this platform is 100% free. I'll click on Create with Flow, then go to New Project and log in. After logging in, I'll select the model Nano Banana 2. Once all settings are done, I'll paste the first prompt and click Generate. You just need to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And boom, the first image is ready. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'll repeat the same process for all prompts. Second, third, fourth, all the way to the 10th. This way, you save time and generate everything efficiently. After a short wait, you can see all images are ready. Look at the quality. The character is consistent. The visuals are clean. Everything looks amazing. This means our prompts are working perfectly. Now, what we'll do next is download the most important scenes, around 3 to 5 images. Download them in 2K quality for better results. Once downloaded, we move to the final and most important step, video creation. We will convert these images into videos and add a professional voiceover to complete the storytelling. And that's how you can create viral cartoon videos step by step. Alright viewers, now for video creation, you need to open a website called Key AI. This platform is absolutely amazing. I've already made a video on it before using a different model, but today I'm going to show you something even better. Today we will use Grok AI on this platform, and the best part is, you can use it 100% free. First of all, come to the website and log in using your personal Gmail account. Once you log in, you will see multiple options available: image generation, video generation, different AI providers. Now if you look closely, you'll notice different models listed with their credit costs. For example, Seedance, Grok, Imagen, Veo 3.1. Each one consumes a different number of credits. For example, Grok takes around 20 credits to generate a 6-second video. When you log in with your Gmail, the platform gives you around 80 free credits. That means you can easily generate 4 to 5 videos from a single account. And here's a smart tip. If you switch Gmail accounts, you can continue generating more videos again and again. Just make sure you use real personal emails because fake emails won't work. Now let's generate our first video. Click on Grok and then select Image to Video. After that, click on Select File. Upload your image. Now go to the prompt section and paste your prompt, then adjust all the settings: resolution, aspect ratio, style. Once everything is set, click on Generate. Now you can see your video has started processing. It will show progress like 40%, 53%, and so on. This means your video is being generated. You just need to wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. Not more than that. And now, boom. Your first video is ready. Oh my god, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. The results are amazing. The motion, the cartoon style, the expressions, everything is exactly as we wanted. Now simply click on Download and save your video. Next, let's create the second video. Again, upload another image. Paste your prompt. This time, you can experiment with different modes like normal, spicy, fun. I personally recommend using spicy mode because it gives more dynamic and engaging results. Now again, set resolution, adjust ratio, click Generate, and your second video starts processing. Alright viewers, this will be our final demo video because now you already understand the full process. After a short wait, done. Our second video is ready. You can preview it, and wow, this one looks even more amazing, more dynamic, more engaging. The cartoon animation style is exactly on point. Now download it the same way. After this, you can keep repeating the same process. Upload image, add prompt, generate video. You can easily create 3 to 4 more videos like this, and if you want to continue generating more, just switch your Gmail account and keep going. Now let's move to the final step, editing. For editing, we will use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your generated videos. Then, drag and drop them into the timeline. Arrange them in sequence. If there is any logo or watermark, you can remove it using CapCut tools. Now give your video a final polished look. Add transitions, adjust timing, sync with voiceover. Once everything looks perfect, export your video in high quality. And now, your final video is ready.
The truth was hidden all along. So he chose hard work instead.
Oh my god, this looks incredible. A complete cartoon-style viral video created step by step. If you upload this type of shorts on YouTube, there is a very high chance they can go viral. So viewers, I hope you really liked today's new idea. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing idea. Until then, goodbye.